I helped a local business generate almost $200,000 in additional revenue by fixing two incredibly boring problems that most local businesses completely ignore. And the craziest part is this turned into one of the easiest recurring income streams I've ever built. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I set up, how I package, and how I sell GoHighLevel reputation management in a simple $497 a month service. Plus an easy $500 a month upsell that turns this into a $997 per month local business offer. And the best part is you don't need to be some marketing genius or some tech expert to do this. Because at the end of the day, you're not selling complicated software. You're just helping businesses get more reviews, rank higher in Google, and generate more customers automatically. And real quick, I have absolutely nothing to sell you. No high ticket coaching program or no course, no paywall. I give all of my stuff away for free. So if this video helps you, just hit the like button, share it with a friend, and comment free course below in the comments, and I'll send you my templates, my scripts, and even set you up on a live one-on-one kickoff call to help you get started. All right, so let's talk about these local businesses. We're talking about HVAC companies, contractors, electricians, plumbers, chiropractors, real estate agents. They do amazing work, but they absolutely suck at the back-end systems, especially getting reviews onto their Google business profile. And when they do that, they have poor visibility on Google, so people are not finding them on Google. They're also not responding with customers fast enough when they reach out, which means they have poor follow-up, and they're just missing a ton of opportunity. So why are Google reviews so important for these local businesses? Well, local SEO, you need a lot of reviews and a lot of positive reviews from actual customers in order to rank higher in Google. And if you're able to do that for the customer, and able to create an automated system that asks for reviews automatically and gets them put on their Google profile, they're going to rank higher in Google, they're going to build more trust, and they're going to get more people reaching out on a consistent basis on autopilot. So this is the entire business model laid out for you. You're going to find these local business owners that have a low amount of reviews, no website. You can go right to Google and find that. I have tons of videos on my channel on doing that. You're going to offer them a simple automated system, which this is going to be a review automation, along with a couple other things that I packaged together to make this a higher ticket sale. And then you get paid $300 to $500 per month per client. And the best part about this business model is business owners know they need reviews. They know they suck at getting them. They know how important it is to be ranked on Google and to be seen on Google and to follow up with their customers quickly. And they're going to be willing to pay you because it's just an investment for their business so they can bring in more customers, save more time in their business. And the best part for you is that you set this up one time and you get paid month after month after month, and it just stacks on top of each other. And to quickly show you some proof, here's Megan. This is the business that we helped out. It's a local cleaning company. And then to show you some text messages from this client. So they were at $1,300 a month in weekly cleanings, and they went up to $2,500 a month. And now they're at about $5,000 per month in residential cleanings. They also added $3,500 commercial contract. And then we had the big one come in, a $75,000 commercial contract, and they found us on Google. So this stuff actually works. And again, it's a simple business model. You're going to find these local businesses, you're going to offer this automated system, and then you're going to charge them monthly. So as you can tell, this system actually works, getting clients more customer reviews, which are going to get them ranked higher in Google, give them tons of value, and they're going to be willing to pay you every single month. And later on in the video, I'm going to show you the exact upsell that you can offer these clients for an extra $500 per month after you get them in, get them results, and you can start doing local SEO for them that's automated using a simple software. And as you can tell from these local heat maps, you can see we are starting to dominate our local area, up 178%, up 69%, and it's working incredibly. And again, the best part was this was not some giant company either. This was just a normal local business that wasn't consistently asking for reviews and optimizing their online presence. And with over 44 million local small businesses in the United States, this opportunity is insane. So here's my actual offer that I sell these local businesses. And one of the reasons I love it is because you don't actually have to convince the local business owners that reviews or a website or a chat widget or any of this stuff is important. They already know that having a professional website and tons of 5-star reviews on Google, it's going to affect their trust, their rankings, and their revenue coming into their business. And again, more reviews equals more trust equals more calls, and more calls equals more money for this business owner. It's that simple. So my first offer when I first started my agency was just doing websites and chat widgets. And I realized that since I'm already taking the time to find these customers, sell them, onboard them, why don't I not just take a little bit longer to add some more systems onto this package that's going to provide more value to this customer, and I can charge, $200, $300 more per customer than I was before. So this is my entire package. I sell a website and a chat widget. Both of these are made right inside GoHighLevel. I have videos on how to make AI websites you can watch after this video. I'm going to walk you step by step how to actually set up the GoHighLevel automated review process and that system that you can sell. And that's going to be part of this as well. The auto missed call text spec, super simple to turn on. It's a one-click thing, and then text for marketing. So this is my entire package that I sell for $497. I originally started at $297 and realized that when I was talking to one of my clients that was a pressure washer, he's like, yeah, this is a no-brainer. It's $297. I charge $500 per house that I clean. And it was a real awakening for me that I realized I was charging too little. So $500 a month is pretty much nothing to these business owners. If you can get them, 1, 2, 3 extra jobs per month, it's a clear high ROI for them to invest in a software like this that's going to help automate the reviews, get their online presence in order, follow up with customers, and just make their life so much easier. So once I had that conversation with that client, I instantly upped my prices up $200. So now I charge $497. You can start at $297. I charge $497. And then, like I said, I will show you exactly how to charge another upsell on top of this. It's another service for local SEO that's going to add another $500 per month. That gets you at $1,000 per month per client, which is absolutely amazing. And again, back to this offer, you are not selling some complicated software that they need to install and learn and make things super complicated. You are selling them a system, and you are selling them the results that your system gets them. So working with you, they're going to get their online presence dialed in with a professional website. They're going to get more automated 5-star reviews. So the customers are automatically getting their review requests after they pay for a job or they're happy with their job. They're going to have an auto missed call text back. So they're going to make sure that they never miss another call. And there's going to be text remarketing as well, along with a mobile app. It's super simple. Again, you're selling the results, not the actual software. All right, so now I'm going to show you step-by-step how to actually set up GoHighLevel review automation. So inside your GoHighLevel account, you're going to have your sub account here. This is going to be your client. So inside your client's account, you're simply going to go through the launchpad here. You're going to log into their Google Business profile, their Facebook if they have one. That way everything goes into the all-in-one inbox. But we're going to show you how to do the reputation management. So first things first, once you have it linked up with their Google Business profile, you can go over to reputation here. And this is a client that literally just started with us 2 weeks ago or maybe a week ago. And they already have 7 reviews coming in, positive 5-star reviews, helping this business. I absolutely love it. It's super, super fulfilling. So if you go over into settings, so again, you're going to find their Google review link right here, and you can just copy that for later so that you have it. There's also a Google Business Optimization here that you can set up. It'll give you kind of a before and after. So we helped him optimize. We still have some things we want to do, but that's just another optimization that you can do, or an add-on that you can do, is Google Business Optimization. So again, the whole goal in offering reputation management to these local businesses is to get them more 5-star reviews so they can rank higher in Google and get more customers. So we already have 7 5-star reviews coming in for this client. We also created him a professional optimized website that has all of his services, service areas, gallery, reviews, all of this stuff that is basically done with AI Studio now. And I do have a full AI Studio prompt that you can use in my free course. Just comment free course below. Again, I have a full video on doing the AI websites. This video is more focused on setting up the reputation management. But again, it all comes together so that you can maximize how much you're earning per client. So we have our link to the reputation management under the settings here. Next, I want to show you what the workflow and automation actually looks like. So we're going to go over into these automations and click review request sent. So there's really 3 ways to set up the reputation management automation in workflow. You can use AI. You basically type to it and explain what you're looking to do. You can create a new workflow up here from a template and search for reputation management and find a recipe that works for you. Or you can grab my free course and get my entire snapshot that's got everything pre-built for you. So this is exactly what my automation looks like. You're gonna have a trigger at the top that says maybe paid customer, whatever you want to set up. I have a drip here, only 50 a day, so we don't overwhelm the texting system. So this is the first text message that a customer is gonna get. It's, hey, first name. This is the company's name. Hope you had a great experience with us. Can you take 1 minute to leave us a 5-star review on Google and share your experience with others? And then here's the link. So super important to kind of prime them and let them know, hey, we're looking for 5-star reviews. You can also add a custom image at the top with the business owner. We haven't gotten that yet from him, but that's just going to increase your conversion rate on these text messages to get the reviews. So it adds a link here, and this is just a link trigger, and this is going to trigger up this survey. So the customer is going to get the text message. They're going to come to this survey. If they leave a 5-star review and hit submit, it's going to take them directly to their Google Business profile. So again, I can leave a 5-star review, put all this in here, super simple for that customer. It's 2 clicks. Now, if we go back to that survey, so 4 and 5 stars, it's going to send them right to the Google Business profile to leave a 5-star review or 4-star review. Anything below that, so a 3, 2, or 1, and we click submit, it's actually going to bring us to internal notification. So they're going to be able to say, so my message basically says, sorry to hear that you're not satisfied. Please provide us with some honest feedback. We'll do our best to improve. So this just gives the business owner a chance to actually get information, get feedback from that client that's not so much happy. A 3-star, 1-star, 2-star, those are not good. You want 4 and 5 stars. So this is actually going to get emailed to them, and it's just feedback for this business owner, and it clicks submit. So not only do they get real feedback from customers that are not happy and they get a chance to make it correct and get that 5-star review, it also prevents from negative reviews getting put up on their Google Business Profile, which I know is a huge concern for people offering the reputation management. So this is a great way to make sure you're only getting your clients 4 and 5-star reviews. Now, again, super important is that we're using this link trigger, and this link trigger is the link to the survey that I built. Again, super easy to build this out. It comes in my snapshot. All right, so now that you've seen the survey, how do you actually set up the survey? So if you go into sites, into HighLevel surveys, I actually have 2 surveys built out. A review survey. So this is your 4 and 5-star review survey. Super simple to set up. You just kind of come into here, hit settings, go into open conditional logic, and it's simple. You need 2 rules. If please rate us is equal to 5 stars or 4 stars, it's going to go to their Google Business Review page. And you can get that link from in the settings, like I said. If it's a 3, 2, or 1 star, it redirects to the second survey. So the second survey is just a second survey, again, built for the negative reviews. And this is just built out to get this information and then email it to the business owner. So super simple there, just 2 surveys. And we want to make sure that we are using a link trigger here. And this link trigger here is basically just the survey, the main survey with the 5 stars that they can rate. And we're just going to go back into marketing here and go over to trigger link. And then we're going to add this trigger link to the review funnel. So that way, anytime someone clicks on this review link, they get pulled from this automation. They don't just keep getting text messages over and over. But if they don't, then they're going to wait 4 days. They're going to come back here again. If it's not clicked, they're going to get the second message. Same thing. Hey, wanted to follow up because I saw you haven't left a review yet. Can you click here and leave a 5-star review? If not, just say goodbye and we'll stop texting you. They'll pull them from the automation. And then again, it comes down and I think we do 4 review requests and then we're all done. But we're just making sure that we're getting these reviews from all the customers, because getting reviews is hard, but using GoHighLevel and setting up this automation for this business owner is going to be an absolute game changer to capitalize on all of the good work that they're doing to show others and rank higher in Google. So that's really the entire system. It's one automation with some text messages. It is the survey. It's setting that up and making sure it's linking to their Google Business Profile. And then it's just adding the link trigger so they get pulled from the automation. Super simple. Okay, so again, back to my offer that's helping local businesses dominate the local area. It's really focused on the review automation, but we also do the website and the chat widget, auto missed call text back. Again, I have videos on all of these features and services and systems that you can set up for these local businesses on our channel, so make sure you are subscribed. All right, let's move on to how to actually sell this. And again, you are not pitching AI, you're not pitching funnels, you're not pitching automated systems. Your entire pitch is I help local businesses with their online presence by getting them more Google reviews, helping them rank higher in Google, and getting more customers. That's it. It's super simple. A simple sales script that you could use. I have tons of them in my course. Hey, I noticed you guys have great reviews, but you're not consistently generating them. You could even say your last one was 3 months ago. We help local businesses automate Google review requests, improve their local visibility, and convert more leads automatically. Most businesses lose a ton of revenue simply because they're not following up consistently. We basically automate the entire process. It's simple, it's super low friction, and it's super easy to understand. That's why I absolutely love this offer. Now again, GoHighLevel's review automation by itself is an amazing offer, an amazing service that you can provide. But if you're only offering that, you're kind of limiting yourself on how much you can charge. You can charge probably $97 to $197 per month for Google reviews. But if you package in multiple features, multiple systems together like this, and you put it all in a nice package, you can easily charge $297 to $497 per month, tripling or quadrupling how much you're making per customer. I'd recommend starting at $297, getting a few clients under your belt, and then you can up your prices from there. But the best part about this is just the foot in the door. They're going to get their website, they're going to get their Google reviews coming in, their auto missed call text back, all this stuff. They're going to see some huge growth in their business. You're going to be saving this business owner a ton of time and making them more money. And once you do that for them, say 3 months, 6 months down the road, you can offer them a local SEO package to dominate their local area and charge them another $500 on top of that. That way, you're not only making the $497 per month, now you're making $997 per month using a simple software, which I'm going to show you right now. So this is Merchant. I found it about 6 months ago and I started implementing it and using it for my clients in my agency, and it's absolutely incredible. It's honestly an incredible software for local businesses if you want to focus on local SEO and offering that SEO package on top of the initial package with Google reviews and website and everything. So I'm going to kind of walk through this and then I'm going to show you a client's real results using it. So Page, the #1 SEO tool for agencies. So it's basically an all-in-one SEO tool that helps you automate local SEO for local businesses. So it's going to help you automate your Google Business Profile, keyword optimize Google reviews, build and manage citations, publish posts socially and on media profiles, implement SEO strategies for AI, for Gemini, ChatGPT, all that stuff. optimize your website for SEO. So you can have schema, markup, all that stuff, making sure that they are talking to each other using AI. And you can also create automated videos. So let's go ahead and show you what this report looks like. So here's the dashboard for this client. Here's an optimization score. We don't have everything turned on for them because they don't want to automate everything. Here's automation score, Google reviews, and you can kind of go in and set up the business, set up each automation. So you can automate images, automate posts, review management. I turn that off because we do it in GoHighLevel. It's just a better system for texting. Automator videos, website and AI SEO, account manager, reporting, summary, everything. So if we go into reviews, we can see some recent reviews. We can look at the reports. And again, the great thing about this software, just like GoHighLevel, is you set it up one time for your client, one time. And it might take you maybe 5 minutes a month to go in and make sure you're optimizing things and make sure you're checking on things or make sure you're approving posts on their Google profile. But once it's set up, it's super hands-off. And this was the biggest selling point for me is it does monthly reporting so that I can send a report to the client each month, show them the results that we're getting and make sure they never churn because they're seeing the results from the local SEO. And real quick before I forget, Page is $100 a month per client. So if you're charging $500 per month, you're profiting another $400. So let's go ahead and scroll down. So we see the search views here, map views. This client is up 160% in their calls. They're up 13% on their website clicks. And this is my favorite part of this entire software is the heat map audit. So you can put in your keywords that you're trying to go after, and it's basically going to have a before and after. So this was last month and this is this month's, and we are up 178%. And you can just tell, we are starting to dominate this local area. Same thing with warehouse cleaning. So this is a commercial cleaner and her heat maps just look awesome and they just keep growing. And each month I get to send her this incredible report that's showing her how much we are actually helping her improve her local SEO. And that's the same client that I added almost $200,000 worth of revenue to their business in less than 6 months. Doing this exact system, review automations, local SEO, websites, this entire package is absolutely incredible and has a huge impact on local businesses. And honestly, that's why I love this business model. It's super simple. Businesses already understand the value before you even talk to them. And it gets them real results, which is super fulfilling. And once you land just one client, the recurring revenue stacks really fast. You don't need to build some massive agency with hundreds of customers. You don't even need employees. You don't need to be a technical genius. You just need to help businesses solve problems that they already know they have. But this is really just one piece of the puzzle because once you combine GoHighLevel's reputation management with an SEO optimized AI website, that's where things get super powerful. So in my next video right here, I'm going to show you how I build and sell professional AI websites to local businesses that pair perfectly with this offer. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Peace.